Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Ethereum from Revolut to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just manage your assets more flexibly, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. By now, with advancements in blockchain tech, transfers are faster and more secure than ever, but it's still crucial to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Revolut and Uphold, and some Ethereum in your Revolut wallet. Also, verify that you're using the latest app versions. Revolut and Uphold have rolled out enhanced security features in 2025, so updates are key for smooth transactions. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Navigate to the Crypto section and select your Ethereum holdings. Here, you'll see an option to withdraw or send. Go ahead and tap that. Now, you'll need the Uphold wallet address. Head over to your Uphold app, log in, and find your Ethereum wallet address. It's usually under the Assets tab. Just copy it carefully. Back in Revolut, paste that Uphold address into the recipient field. Double-check that you're selecting the correct network. Stick with the Ethereum mainnet to avoid any compatibility issues. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, fees are generally lower due to Layer 2 solutions, but they can still add up, so keep an eye on that. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Revolut PIN or biometrics. This might take a few minutes to process, depending on network congestion. While you wait, jump back to Uphold and keep an eye on your wallet. Your Ethereum should show up shortly. A quick word of caution: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for updates. And there you have it, your Ethereum is now safely in Uphold. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.